Hey, welcome to the Business Credit YouTube channel. Can you guys hear me okay? I've had some technical difficulties with my audio mixer. Just want to make sure you guys can hear me okay before we get started. If you guys can hear me okay, the volume's too low, just put a thumbs up in the comment section or the live chat section. Wealth Gum says, "Yep, we can hear you." Okay, is the audio okay? I know you can hear me? You said, but okay. Gregory King, can hear fine. Okay, good. All right. All right. Give a few more moments for others to join in. This was kind of a last minute live stream I put together. I'm only going to cover like two things on business credit, two business credit products this evening. But if you guys have any business credit questions, be sure to put it in the live chat section and I will answer those here shortly. Okay. So I just wanted to cover two different things. One of them is Fair Figure, and then the other one is Pagon. So Pagon is they offer a business line of credit. They offer soon a business credit card, kind of like the Divvy or the Bill card. And you guys should definitely check it out because there's no personal guarantee whatsoever. There's no hard credit check on your personal credit and no security deposit. So, all right, without further ado, let's get into it. We'll come back to Pagon here in a minute. Let's go over to Fair Figure. So if you guys haven't signed up for Fair Figure, you guys need to, because you're going to get two trade lines. I just released a video about Fair Figure. I put the link in the comment section. You guys need to sign up for that. It's $30 a month, but you're going to get 15% or 50% off using my link and use the promo code GBC50. So it's only going to be like $14.50. Sign up for that if you don't already have that, because you're going to get up to two trade lines reporting to the business credit bureaus. That's going to help you get the cards like behind me, all those cards. So if you haven't already got that, go ahead and do it. I put the link below or to the side there. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section, live chat section. All right. So I just released a video too about Fair Figure. But anyways, let's go over to Pagon. So we're going to have several videos coming up in the next couple of days about Pagon. So here's their website. Let's go over to how it works. Startups discover their first yes with us. Complete a 5-minute application, download the Pagon mobile app, accept the offers presented to you. Apply in a calculator, put your credit score. Your personal credit score does become a factor to a certain extent, but don't let it deter you if you don't have good personal credit, okay? Because they're kind of like an all-in-one toolbox for business credit. They have literally over 100 different lenders they're working with, and they're getting their own fintech business line of credit card. So just like, say, Divvy, Bill, Ramp, all those cards, Fair Figure even, just like that. But they're offering several different business lines of credit and options. So I would definitely suggest signing up with them. Apply. It's not going to be a hard pull. It's not going to take anything out of you at all that's going to hurt you at all to apply. Go ahead and apply. See what they have to offer. That's really what I can say is apply. Worst case scenario, they say they can't approve you. You know, it's not going to affect your personal credit whatsoever. So you can see here, kind of the requirements really comes down to $2,500 a month consistently for the last 3 months. So that's the revenue you need to be making for your business, showing some type of gross deposits of at least $2,500 per month for the last 3 months of $2,500. So that's not very hard, really, for a new business. I mean, you guys look at the other ones that I promoted in the past. They're what, like 10,000 a month is the minimum requirement. So it's only 2,500 per month for the last 3 months. And depending on where you're at, say last month, because every business is different and how it grows. So if the last month you did say like 4,000 and months prior you did say like 2,000, 2,500, first month 1,500, you could still qualify. I would go and apply and see what happens. 3 months in business is the minimum requirement. And your personal credit score needs to be over 500 FICO. It's a soft pull, more so to verify your identity. But keep this in mind. They're asking for 500 plus founder FICO score. I don't, I came from the personal credit repair business, and it's very rare to see somebody below 500. So I think most people would qualify for one of their products, and they have several different products that they're offering. And just to let you guys know that are still listening, I know it's very late. I just want to put this out there real quick, kind of give you guys an update. But I'm going to be doing another live stream probably tomorrow, but it's going to be like 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So stay tuned for that. See the impact. We want to enable every business the opportunity to succeed with capital. Keep in mind, everybody needs capital. It doesn't matter what type of business you have. You need capital to succeed in business, period. I mean, unless you're born with a silver spoon in your mouth with hundreds of thousands of dollars in your bank account, in your personal bank account, and you start a business, you're not going to succeed without capital, period. And you shouldn't have to rely on your personal credit. Doesn't matter if your personal credit's good, bad, or excellent. Never rely on your personal credit to basically back your business, because you don't know what your business successful level is going to be. So you could have the most successful businesses in the world. You see them all the time happen. They fail. That's part of business, taking risks. So at all possible, don't personally guarantee, and don't put your own personal livelihood on the line if you don't have to. But bottom line, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have a 500 FICO score, or you're a 10-year-old business, or 850 FICO score with $1 to your business checking account. It doesn't matter. Don't put your own business 100% on the line in your personal name. Okay. So I can't stress it enough. I mean, so many other YouTubers try to sit there and say, oh, you have to have good personal credit to succeed with business credit. That's not always the case. Yes, it helps having good personal credit, even if you're not personally guaranteeing, because some of these fintechs, they do soft pulls. And to get approved, if you're habitual, say you have many charge-offs, bankruptcies, repos, late payments, it's going to be harder to get you approved for certain business credit lines and trade lines. But if you don't have too much established on your personal credit and you have a low, say, credit score, it's okay. Pagon is not requiring any, say, personal guarantee and no hard check on your personal credit. Okay. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to put the link here. I would suggest all you guys to go ahead and apply for this right now, because they were just in beta, and depends on how many people they get to sign up. It might go back into a wait list. So it's pagon.com. Just go ahead and sign up for it. And I'm going to have one of the founders on here in the next, probably within the next week or so. So let's see here. Optimize your capital around and retain more of your equity. 4.7, higher loan amounts than the average check size written by equity investors, faster than average equity funding round, interest rate average per venture debt offer. And they've raised a lot of money from outside investors to be able to loan to small business owners like you. So don't sit there and think that you need to have like you be well established 2 or 3 years. That's not the case with Pagon. They're willing to work with anybody. They're a fairly new fintech. And if you have a brand new business and you're only been in business, say 6 months, 12 months, they very well may approve you. Again, there's no PG and there's no risk really to you at all. So I would say go ahead and apply. So they're going to give you, say, higher valuation based on your business, whether you have a dog grooming business or an e-commerce business, trucking business, whatever it may be, you know? All right. So when can I expect money in your account? 5 days or less. And I'll tell you that it's 5 days or less, but kind of the average, that's just what they're disclosing, but kind of the average is 48 to 72 hours. Do you guarantee a 7% interest rate? We can't guarantee because this is going to come down to many factors. And even if you have great personal credit, say 830 FICO score, 7% is still not bad, period, right now. I mean, with the way inflation and the US economy is going, I mean, mortgage rates, even I remember I bought a mortgage, was it 7 years ago? It was like 3.8% when I got a mortgage. But now, even having great personal credit, you're lucky to get 6, 7%. So, I mean, just keep that in mind. But if your business is going to be successful and you pay it off quicker, you're not going to get prepayment penalties. And like I said, they work with over like 100 different lenders too. So how do I make payments? All payments can be made through Pagon mobile app. So they have a mobile app as well. And there's no prepayment penalty. Like I said, when is my first bill due? It says usually after 3 months. I'm not 100% sure about this part, but there is a little bit delayed on that. And we're talking about their lending products. They're going to be offering other products here soon, probably maybe within the next month or so. That's going to be like a capital card, like a business line of credit card, kind of like the Divvy, Ramp card, Pagon. Is there origination fee? Yes, combination with the bank's fee, it's 4%. So it's really very reasonable. So you're going to go over to, let's see here, apply now, and it's going to have the application here. So what type of business do you own? Most of you guys probably have a LLC. And then next, loan amount. Let's just say I think maybe the average person here, business loan is going to be 25,000, and maybe it's going to be working capital cash flow. When did you start your business? Say the first of 2023. Annual revenue. You can put projected also. You know, their underwriters are going to work with you too. They have so many different underwriters. So Pagon's going to work with you to fine tune everything. Just put the best knowledge of your ability within the application. So let's just put, say, maybe 120,000 with it being a new business. And let's just say good credit, 680 to 719. What industry you are in. I forgot to ask if they work with like high risk industries, but we'll clarify that in the coming days when Vashon, one of the founders, comes on. But let's just put down management companies and enterprises, zip code. So just kind of doing that. I don't know, hang on, what was there a bug or something? Maybe they don't allow dashes. Yeah. So I'm just kind of showing you guys the application, right? Provide a valid email address. I'll have to check with him why that's not working, but let's just put it one of my Gmail addresses. Okay, it's getting hung up there. I don't know why, but try to proceed. Okay. I don't know if this is something on Pagon's issue or what, but definitely try to proceed. I'm going to reach out to him here in a moment when the live ends to see if that's some glitch or something on their site. Shouldn't be. Site should be working. Um, but anyways, as I said, definitely Pagon is definitely something that you guys should consider. Again, you guys know you don't have to have, like, say, National Business Capital that I've promoted in the past, and some of these other ones that require very strict underwriting requirements. Pagon does not. So, may not be the highest business loan that terms and perfect that you want, but at least it's something. You know, they work with over 100. So, um, reach out, and plus you're going to get other options down the line as they grow. As a fintech, they're possibly going to be offering a business card, a business credit card, and it's, like I said, no PG, no personal guarantee, and no hard personal credit check. Okay, and you only need to be 3 months in business. Okay, so it's definitely worth exploring. You have nothing to lose. Okay, at least check it out. Let's see here. Let me answer some questions here. 10 X trades and 60 MB trades and keep getting denied for auto. When you say 10 X trades, are you meaning Experian or Equifax? Greg King, hey Josh, how do you change your bank and fair figure? I don't see it when I went through all the options. Let's see here. So you're gonna go to, well, this is a demo account, but I would say you have a premium account, right? So it's going to be under Business Monitor Budget Advisor. But then at the bottom, you're going to see, like, over here, you can't really see it on my dashboard, but look below the left-hand menu at the very bottom. You're going to see like a little sprocket, and that's going to show the settings. So you're going to see the billing history, card, all that information. And then you're going to be able to update anything like that. Say your subscription, your plan, all that. Okay. Okay. So also, if you guys, any of you guys are interested, Gregory King is a one-on-one business credit mentorship student of mine. Mr. Finley, thanks for tuning in. My favorite business credit page. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in, Mr. Finley. Uh, for those that are just tuning in, you guys can see below there, it's 30% off my business credit mentorship. Limited spots available, free consultations. Text 937-423-9954. That's my personal cell phone number. Please don't call it. Just text you're interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship, 937-423-9954. And it will go to my phone here, and I'll get back to you, and we'll schedule a free consultation to see if you're a good fit for my one-on-one business credit mentorship. I have currently 2 or 3 spots still available. I had some students end just last week. There's 4, 6, and 12-week mentorship with great success. So text if you are interested, and I will get back to you even this evening to schedule something. Experian. Okay, let's see here. I don't know how you could have 10 Experian trade lines. What trade lines do you have on Experian? I'd have to look at this more in detail. But if you look at all my no PG business auto loan videos, I've made this I've stressed this out so many times. Like my biggest videos are no PG business auto loans. Okay. And I've always said you need to build up your Equifax business credit report trade lines to be able to get the no PG business auto loans. So each bureau is used by different financial institutions. So if you're trying to get, say, a MasterCard, Visa, business lines of credit, financial lines of credit, BLOCs, all that, banks, they're all going to use Experian business credit. That's why that's the most important. And then Dun & Bradstreet's more used for, like, say, your vendor trade credit. So if you're trying to get cardboard boxes and packaging tape, you're in e-commerce and you need, industrial supplies, janitor or lawn care, things like that, then yes, Dun & Bradstreet's important. But Dun & Bradstreet's not so important nowadays for, I would say, 90% of the viewers and students that contact me. And then say Equifax business is used the most by commercial auto finance. So if you're trying to get fleets, trucks, anything like that, Ally Financial, Toyota Financial, all of those are going to use the primary report is going to be your Equifax report. And you need to have at least 6 reporting on your Equifax trade line as paid experiences. And then you need to at least have one that is over $1,000 as far as a payment goes. So you need to have a payment experience in the last 6 months of over $1,000, meaning you've made a payment of at least $1,000 to one of those trade lines. So you could have a revolving line or business credit card, say 5,000, 10,000, whatever it may be. As long as a payment was made at least, say, $1,000, that's going to justify a no PG business auto loan approval. It's not so much time in business. You could do it all less than 6 months in business as long as you have all your ducks and business credit reports in order. So, Travis, hopefully that clarified. But if it didn't clarify or you have further questions, feel free to email my support at joshvanhorn.com. Again, support at joshvanhorn.com or text me 937-423-9954. Anyways, you guys, I just want to let you guys know I'm going to be tuning in tomorrow for a live stream about 6 or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to break this down again, everything we covered this evening. This was a late live stream, and it's almost 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I'm going to do it again to catch the Eastern Standard Time, So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on things. Definitely go to pagon.com. The link will be in the comment section below. And that's the best, I would say, right now. I can give you advice for something, a new fintech that is only requiring revenues of $2,500 per month and in business for only 3 months. Okay. So, that's very rare for something like that as far as underwriting requirements. And then, like I said, if you guys don't already have Fair Figure, get Fair Figure. Use the link in the description below. You're going to get 50% off. Use the code GBC50. Get that. It's only $30 a month. First month's only going to be $15. Get that if you don't already have it. I can tell you right now that it's just as good as the NAV Prime. You can possibly get 2 trade lines just with Fair Figure. So if you have the NAV Prime and Fair Figure and eCredible, the basic eCredible, that's 5 trade lines right there reporting to all the bureaus. And depending on how you leverage it, you could get 10, 15 trade lines using even eCredible. So Anyways, with all being said, you guys take care. Any questions, email support@joshvanhorn.com or text 937-423-9954. I'm pretty much available until about midnight Eastern Standard Time. And if you text me and it's past those hours, still just text me. And then when I get into the office, I will get back with you, text you back, and we'll schedule a good time that works for both of us. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. Until next time, stay tuned. Give the video a thumbs up so it gets out to a wider audience. This video live stream will be available on replay. If you're just tuning in, please watch the replay. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.